Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So today I'm going to do an update. I haven't done an update all week, so I'm going to do an update on the four market predictions that I gave this week. So I gave predictions on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I took Thursday off as a personal day, and out of those 4 days, three of them we hit. Now I could probably count. Um, uh, Tuesday as a win, but I'm trying to um, I'm trying to err on the side of not caution, but I want to be realistic when I'm doing this. So even though I got some things right, I didn't nail the support on that. So I'm going to say I got it wrong. It's the first day out of 15 days that I haven't predicted that, and then the rest of the week we got right. So do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe before we get started here. It helps the channel out a lot. And also, if you see this here, crypto indicator. I mean, it can be a crypto indicator. The buy sell indicator here. Okay, buy sell indicator. If you want a free trial on this indicator, this is our custom infinity indicator. I swear by it. I coded it. I didn't code it myself, but I created it myself. And it's something I swear by. And I'll give you guys a free trial, a 2 week free trial. No questions asked, nothing to sign up for. But you need to let me know in the comments. So go ahead and comment below after you're done liking and subscribing that you do want a free trial if you do want a free trial. So you need to leave that comment so I can get you started. So now that that's all taken care of, let's get into the analysis, the stock market predictions, if you will. So I'm gonna kind of move through this, kind of accelerate through this, and you guys are always welcome to go back and look and fact check me if you want. This is all everything's on the table. No, there's no funny business. This is all. I really try and bring the utmost integrity to this. By all means, fact check it all you want, but I am going to run through this pretty quickly to keep this short for you guys. So Monday, let's get into it. Monday, we had support at. So Monday was what, the 9th, right? Okay, so let's go to the 9th. That's crypto. I'm going to. That's a bonus one, by the way. If you're this also works on crypto. We nailed the Bitcoin bottom here twice, at least twice. So let's go to our predictions here, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. So stay tuned. So on the 9th, all right, here we go. So I said we had support here at 604, resistance at 608. So let's run to our chart real quick. Here's our chart. Let's go to the 9th. Here's the 9th. So support at 604 and resistance at 608. Okay, look what happened when we hit 608. We just fell. We fell like a fucking rock. All right. And then I said we had support at the 604 area. Okay, and you see here we bounced here off 604 50-ish, somewhere around that area. So that's why when I say area, it's really plus or minus 50 cents on the SPY. Okay, so look for those entries. Why I can't give you a certain area, because the way orders fill, I just can't give you that information. But this works. This is about as good as you're going to get. I'll put it to you that way. To be this consistent 14 out of 15 days now, that I can tell you exactly where the market will bounce or reject that. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. The proof is here. So support at 608. We dropped 608, and we had that support at 604. Now, keep this 604 number in mind here. So this is the day I got, quote unquote, wrong. Okay. So I said our support was at 604, so that's December 10th. Support at 604, resistance in the 607, 608 area, okay? So let's go to the chart. Okay, so as you can see, there's our 604 line. We did not hold this 604 line as I called out for. Now, we came back up eventually, but we didn't hold the support. That's why I'm calling this a quote-unquote bad day, okay? Now, if you look, though, we did, no, 606, okay. So it didn't even, so we'll call it this day I got wrong. Did I get it completely wrong? No, because if you look here at the end of the day, I said those orders are back. If those stick, watch for a bounce here in the 604 area into the end of day tomorrow. This is why I say, you can kind of say I got this day right. I'm marking it down as a loss because I didn't come through like I said I would here, and we didn't bounce at 604 initially, okay? But here, when I called it out here at the end of day, saying, we could bounce today or tomorrow. That's exactly what we did. We bounced, and I'll go into Wednesday. Okay, the rest of the week we got right. So that was the only. What I just showed you was the only off part of that. So let's go to Wednesday. So yesterday, here we go. Yesterday was the first day. We had some shakiness to this, which is fine. It's one day out of 13. Let's get back on track today. So we had support on Wednesday at 602, resistance at the 608 area, okay? So here we are on Wednesday. And as you can see, we just took off. There was no, there was no bounce at 602 area. We just took off. However, look what happened. We got to that 608 area and we rejected. So, and this, by the way, this is the indicator I'm talking about that you can ask for a free trial for in the comments. And it lined up perfectly with that 608 area. Boom, we hit that area. That's the 608 area, right? In between 608 and what is this, 608.40, okay? We hit that area and we dropped like a fucking knife, okay? A knife, a rock, whatever. You get what I'm saying. By the way, if you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and do that. Seriously. All right, Thursday. Thursday I took off. Needed to play catch up, and I took off. So I think I called out like 608. I did a quick one, and we didn't even reach the levels. But I said I'm taking off today. I'm not doing a prediction, so I'm not going to count Thursday as a win or a loss. There was no prediction. And that leaves us to Friday. So Friday, Friday, and then the bonus crypto one, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. So Friday, the 15th, we had support. Where is it? Yesterday. Here we go. So we had resistance at 607, support at the 602 area. So let's go to our chart. I don't know why this. Okay, there we go. So you'll see here, start of the day. Okay, we got this buy signal on the indicator. We didn't play it. Why didn't we play it? We're literally at the support, the 607 support resistance level that I called out pre-market. So what happened? And even if you did play it, you made way more money on the sell. So we dropped here. Actually, no, that was pre-market. So we had the buy signal here. First of the day, initial move is sometimes not always the right move. And you'll see we rejected almost exactly at that 607. I mean, almost to the T on that 607 level. We got the sell signal, rejected, and we just dumped. And we didn't find support until where? Until that 602 50-ish type area, high 602. So the 602 area that I called out, okay? So yesterday was a really good day for us as well. And the last thing I'm going to leave you guys with, especially for my crypto heads. All right. So I called out this in the Discord, in our crypto alerts. And again, we're getting these crypto alerts started. It's the same type of process, but okay. So that was the one from where we are. Okay, December 6th. I said, look, I want us to long Bitcoin at about 95K. So I called this out the week before. I said, look, we're going to bounce at 92K. We bounced at 92K. So I said, here's another one. Look to long Bitcoin at 95K. Go ahead and set your orders now. Don't be afraid to use some leverage. I went 10x. Don't go much higher. Let's see what happened. So that was on the 6th. And you'll see this took a couple days to play out. So we'll run to the Bitcoin. Whoops, that's not it. USDT, Binance. Okay, and I'm going to drop to the hourly chart, which may mess up some stuff with the indicator. I'm not too concerned about that because I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, okay? So here was our bounce in that 92K area. It actually went lower, but you can see how hard we bounced off this this level here. I mean, it shot like a fucking rocket. And then the same thing happened here again, okay? So this is what I'm talking about. I called this out on December 6th, okay? I said, go ahead and set your buy orders for that 95K area here on December 6th, okay? So that was after this play. I said, let's go for round 2 and 3, okay? So this is what happened. December 6th, I call that out. We play around sideways a little bit. What happens? We get pushed down. Where do we bounce? Right at that 94, 95K area. Not only do we bounce once, but we bounce twice. So you had the opportunity here to not only play this, but play this here twice, okay? And with that 10x leverage, you're looking at something like, I don't know what the gains are at right now. If you give me 2 seconds, I'll let you know. So yeah, 75% gains on a 10x. So 75% gains here in about 5 days or something like that. Whoops, I accidentally opened a short on XRP. Let's not do that. Not yet. So that's it. Bonus bet. And this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. All right. You go where the orders are at. Go where the whales are sitting, and you just ride along with them, okay? So I did it at 92K here on Bitcoin. I did it again here at 95K, okay? And I'm also probably going to go short here on Bitcoin here pretty shortly for short term. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin in the long run. So if you don't want to miss out on this stuff, please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.